Hello guys, what's up? The Bus Channel here, and today we're going to be unboxing some timetables again, I think. So yeah, let's get into it. Oh, excuse me. Just tear here. Oh, it's just one today, guys. Oh, maybe two. 3 and 4. So yeah, we've got 4 of them. Here we have Warwickshire Public Transport map for May 2018. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Pretty cool. So yeah, let's pop that there. And here we have a 69 bus route for Stratton 2014, which I don't know if it exists now. And also it's NNF on the front again. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Pop that there. And this one here is for the 511, 513 and 514 route. So yeah, NNF on the front again. So yeah, here's the front and here's the back. And then finally we have the 501, 502 and 503 route with NNF on the front. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. Company Stagecoach. So yeah, that's pretty cool. What company is this? I think that's just the Warwickshire one. And same goes for the other one as well. So yeah, that's pretty cool. I think it's now time to get the thumbnail, guys. There we go. Oh yeah, just one more thing to mention. The driver I just had was really nice, so yeah. And he did honk the horn and scan your horns. I think are probably one of the best. So yeah, shout out to him, and yeah. Thank you guys for watching, and peace out. Hey guys, I forgot to unbox this one here. So yeah, let's get into it. I have no idea what this one is. It's weird. Oh, shiny. So yeah, open this up. And yeah, here we go guys. So a couple more bus things. Sorry about this guys, bear with. To be honest, I might as well just show you all of them again. So yeah, first of all here we have the Warwickshire County Council public transport map for 2018. Here's the front and here's the back one. Obviously I showed you unboxing that one. And here's Warwickshire County Stagecoach bus timetable. County links, obviously, and it's NNF on the front. 501, 502 and 503 route from 2016. So yeah, here's the front. Oh god. And here's the back. Pop that there. Here we have a 69 timetable. I don't know if I showed you this one already, so yeah, if you have, here it is again. So 69 timetable, don't know what company, but it's from 2014 and it's NNF on the front. So yeah, here's the front, here's the back. I swear all the Warwickshire timetables use NNF for some reason. So yeah, here's the 511, 513, 514 timetable from 2014, and yeah, NNF again. Here's the front, and here's the back. Also, I have to get another thumbnail, guys, and here's a bus timetable. Don't know, I think it's just a Warwickshire County Council one, and yeah. And it's from the 2018, and here's the front, here's the back. Company Stagecoach. So yeah, this is a Stagecoach one. Pop that there. Here we have 27 and 229 bus route. NNF on the front, and yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. Here we have a Stagecoach bus timetable, and it's the SL route, and yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. Here we have a A&M Group bus timetable with NNF on the front, and it's the 520 and 521 route. So yeah, here's the front, here's the back, and it's from 2014. And Stagecoach is from 2018. And here is the 212 route, NNF on the front again. A&M Group timetable. So yeah, here's the front, and here's the back. And here's the, don't know what company it is, but yeah, NNF on the front again. And it's the 511, 513 and 514 route. And yeah, here's the front. Oh god, lost the thing. So yeah, as I was saying, here's the front and here's the back. And here we have a duplicate one, the 501, 502 and 503 bus route. And yeah, here's the front and here's the back. I'll just pause the video just to double check if there's some more, guys. So now, guys, let's get another thumbnail. There we go. So, So for a second time, thank you guys for watching and peace out.